Hi friends, choosing a perfect theme for your website project is always been a challenging task, and WP Themes channel makes this task easier for you. If you want to create a website for car hiring services or transport services, this video is for you. In this video, we have a great WordPress theme called Transfers, and Transfers as a specialized WordPress theme for transport and car hiring services. This has powerful booking system, accurate availability checker, pricing per person per vehicle, seasonal pricing, unlimited surcharges, unlimited transport types, unlimited destination, and several payment gateways features. So if you want to create a car hiring and booking services website, this is going to be a perfect choice for you. And Transfers is a transport and car hire WordPress theme, and it is a premium WordPress theme for transport, car hire, and transport providers. And it comes with powerful and fully working booking system and an availability manager with the advanced search results. The theme has been developed by Theme Energy, and Theme Energy are elite authors. The theme actually came into existence in 2015, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. The theme is compatible with the WooCommerce latest version and the latest version of WordPress. Since it is being updated regularly, you can choose this theme and you can consider this theme as updated according to the latest technology trends of WordPress. So it has all the system that you need to have at your hiring services, car hiring services website. As I said, these are unlimited vehicle types and pricing surcharges, availability management, booking and payments, so and destination management. So all these things are very important for hiring car hiring service website, and this is being the website demo website that has been made using this theme, and it works very fine. I have seen the demo, and I'm going to add the link of this demo in the description of this video, and where you can avail this theme and the hosting that you want for to start for your website, and you can have this theme in a pre-installed manner at your selected domain with the theme. So just follow the link, and in this video we are going to install this Transfer WordPress theme. We will preview the theme options, basic customization options, and all preview the overall features and functionality of this theme so that you may take decision about this theme. So let us begin the installation, and I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, which is running default 2021 WordPress theme, and I am assuming you have already a hosting plan and that your domain is already configured there, and if not, just follow the link. As I said, you will get everything to start your website. And now I have the theme pack. In the theme pack I have child theme, documentation, licensing, the sample data is also here, and the main theme file. So we shall be using these files for our installation. To begin the installation, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose transfers.zip. So remember, you have to choose transfer.zip, and don't try to upload the complete folder that you get in the theme pack. It is being the common mistake being done by the people. And you can also upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will show you the theme file size as well. So you can also upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder if you are having direct access on your server or FTP. So the theme file size is really very less, and this is why it is going to work fine on your website as well. It is just 9.48 MB in size, and now it has been uploaded and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this transfer folder in which we got all the theme parts, components, folders and files are here. Now we can simply delete the zip one. It is not required, it is just consuming the server space. We have already extracted it. And yes, both the method of uploading theme are same. Either you can use this WordPress interface or you can directly upload the theme to the WP content themes folder using the file manager or FTP. So both process will bring the same result. Don't repeat the process, don't get confused. Now we have uploaded the theme and we can go back to the theme section, and now we have this transfers theme along with the default theme. Let us check the details. You see transfer version 1.40, and transfer is a responsive WordPress theme ideal for car transfer portals, travel agency, travel blogs, etc. Let us activate the theme. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme. Let us go to the plugin installer screen, and these are the simple and very less number of plugins that is required for running this theme. And Revolution slider is here to first hero image part, and transfer plugin is very important because it is going to bring all the theme fee, all the functionality for booking and transfer like facility, and it has been developed by the original theme developer itself, so it is pre-packed. And a Revolution slider is also pre-packed. WooCommerce is also here just in case you need to sell some products or services online, so WooCommerce is being supported by this theme. Sidebars is also a add-on feature of WooCommerce, and Contact Form 7 has been used. So we have to install all these plugins, and I am going to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And as you can see, we are using a very simple and effective hosting plan that offers a very fast processing during the installation and even the website run, and all plugins got installed within seconds. And now we can go back to the plugin installer screen to activate all the uploaded plugins, installed plugins. So we can simply activate all the plugins in one click again. Okay, so now we have installed and activated all the plugins, and simply click on the dashboard, and it is now redirecting to WooCommerce setup page. And this also can be done in a minute or so. So I'm just putting simple lines. You need to put the original information as applicable for you, and it will not take much time. So let us complete this. And yes, so we can choose the relevant section, car, fire, continue, and it is not, it can be physical products, so we can continue here. And here free features are not required, we just need to select the numbers here, and free features are not required, and check this option and continue. And here we need to choose continue with my active theme, that is transfer. Okay, so now WooCommerce installation is also complete, and we are fine to be on dashboard again. Now we have completed the installation of theme and all setup plugins, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks. This is the simple look of website using transfers theme, and yes, it is without any content, any demo content. So we need to import the demo content to make our demo website like this. So let us proceed towards the installation of demo content, and after that I will show you all the options that we received in this installation, that we got in this installation. So theme options I will show you, and I will also show you the extra features that we got in this installation. Let us first complete the demo installation, and I am looking the demo content importer. Database is here. What is this? Destination services. So I'm looking for the demo import option, and as I can check the documentation, we need to import the demo content manually. That means using the WordPress default importer option. So what we will do, we will install a plugin called Widget Importer and Exporter to add this feature, and I'll download this plugin first and install the plugin. Let us first install this required plugins, and also we need to run the importer. So I will first install the demo importer and exporter. Okay, so I'm installing the widget importer and exporter, and you can also do the same. Just follow the link given in the documentation. And now we need to run the importer under tools. You can run the import option, and we can check the okay, let us run the WordPress importer, and we will use this. I'll show you which files need to be imported. This is sample data folder, and all files are available here. Transfer sliders.zip is also here. Widget importer WR, and transfer sample file is also transfer max. Okay, max menu, mega menu is here. Okay, so we are going to import this transfers.sample.xml file by running the WordPress importer, and I am installing the WordPress importer. And now we can run the importer, and after this we can choose the file. We can choose the transfer.sample.xml here, that is available under sample data folder in the theme pack. And now open it, upload file and import. And here we need to assign one user and check on the download and import file attachments and hit on submit. And it is going to take time because it is going to connect the developer server, and it also depends on your hosting plan, hosting parameters, and the internet speed. So just wait until the process goes and let the process to be completed. And I got this message after 2 minutes that all done, have fun, and I assume the data is imported. Now let us check the pages, if it is here, and the data is imported. Pages should be here. Yes, pages are here, and I believe all the data has been imported. Let us check the home page. Okay, so it is here, and okay, yes, so this slider portion has yet not been imported, so I believe slider is also, transfer slider is here, so we can simply import this slider to our website, and after that we will set the home page as well. So let us first import the slider, and that can be done in the slider evolution section. Open the slider evolution and click on manual import, choose, and transfer slider.zip is here. It is very simple to import. Yes, it is it's imported successfully, and now we can refresh this page and it should work, but somehow it is not working. But it does not matter because you can check the slider. This is the slider, and okay, right, okay, booking, it should work, but we can fix this issue, not a problem. And first of all, we need to set the home page, and that can be done under customize option under appearance. And let us first set the home page setting, new latest post. Here we need to select the static page, and here we need to select the home and publish. Okay, so it is great, and now we can close this. And again we need to set the permalinks. Under setting there is permalinks, and here we need to set the post name. Save changes, and now we can take a look of our website, how it looks. And just opening the domain. Okay, so this website is here and it is complete. However, some images has not been provided in the demo, but it did not matter because finally we are going to use our own image at our website. And this slider portion is not working, so let us check why slider is not here. Click on the edit page, and no sidebar. Slider revolution option is here. I did slide template default. Okay, slide template is off here, and update. So everything is fine. Slider should work, but now it is not working. And now since slider is not working anyhow, I am just checking why slider is not working. Meanwhile, we can import the widgets as well. So since we have already installed the plugin widgets importer and exporters, and transfer widgets are here, so we can import the widgets, and it is simple. Okay, so we have chosen the file, choose WIE file, so we can import it, but it is not working. So there is another way to import the widgets. So I will simply open the file widgets.wi using the text editor, and will copy all the elements here and simply put in the widget importer, and it should work. Yes, it is working now. Tailor made right sidebar, and some things are not. Basically all the widgets has been imported, and I am not sure about why slider is not working, but it should. Okay, so now it was dependent on the widget, and it is fine now. So okay, so now the installation is complete and we have everything, and we just need to configure the terms, I mean the parameters of booking, and we will be fine. So now this is the complete website, and we just need to put some images and basic customization, and we will be fine to upload and launch our website. So let us first complete the menu part if it is here, and manage locations. So select primary menu, primary is here, footer is here. We can configure the menu as well, and now menu should work. Okay, so Now we have menu, destinations, services, blog, contact us, and all pages are working fine, and yes, it is good. Now let us go to the theme options and all the options that we got in this installation to understand. So let us see how we can set the destination, and this is the destination setting, and you can add new destination, and you can even use the existing ones, edit the content, and you can use these one. So I will show you. Under Germany there are multiple sub destinations, and similarly you can use this destination setting, and I'll show you what fields are here. These are the Berlin Central Station like things, and it can be kept under parent, so you can put it direct destination, or you can keep it under a parent. So like this has been kept in the Germany parent, and this is the description and destination name, and nothing much is here. So you just need to create destination one by one, and you will be fine to bring it on the options, I mean destination options. So extra items, what is here? So child seat and baby seat, so extra items can be configured here. Transportation types like bus, shuttle, car, you can set from here, and you can always add new one or edit the existing ones. FAQs are here, so FAQs has been given, so you can add the FAQs for your website. Services, we can check what is here. So these are the services fields, and I'll show you what fields are here. Okay, it is not so broad, just you need to explain your services one by one. And transfer bookings are very important. If you receive any booking from the front end, it will be displayed here, and you can even add the booking from the back end, and it is very simple to add a booking, and all the bookings will be displayed on this screen only. And transfer availability is always very important, so add the availability. So season name, season start, and enter type, pickup location, drop off location, and so you can set the availability here. So all features are available for the transfer and the car hire or booking services, and these are the very customized features for the purpose of creating a transfer or car booking or hiring services website. And I believe these options are enough for running such website, and this is our outcome website, and it is full functional. Just put the content, relevant content, and you will be fine to launch your website. I believe I have shown you each and everything about the Transfer WordPress theme, and you will be able to create a suitable and full functional website using this theme. And you might have certain questions regarding this theme. Don't hesitate in asking any question regarding this theme, and I will certainly try to help you for all the purposes. And you can also avail the theme by following the link given in the description. And with the hosting plan, the theme comes in a pre-installed manner with the demo content. So all is for you, all is available for you. Just start building your website, and you will definitely create a perfect website. So okay, so let us meet in our another video, in which I am going to bring another great WordPress theme, plugin or utilities for you. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.